Ramses and I are about to go to Home Depot. Two of the kids have had stomach issues, so I haven't really eaten all day. So I'm like sneaking in the car because I feel bad getting it in there in front of them. But they're doing a lot better, and I just took some anti-tummy upset pills right now too because I got a little scared right now because I started feeling a little bit something. But I think it's just because I'm hungry. We're gonna go to Home Depot really quick, and then Ramses and I couldn't, both of us, we couldn't find our phones. What?
Just want to be in your video. Hey, what's up? You know I'm not.
Oh God. You know I'm cutting that out.
Okay. Oh, that was for you? I thought that was for me.
We're at the Home Depot.
So, vloggy or homeschooling? Alright, what's next on the list, boo?
Is that the multi?
Yeah. See? 2 switches. One for the one for the
Alright, what's next? Ramses fucking chicken scratch. They have all of these for $10. They're 8 inches. It's so tiny. I think I'm gonna get like 2 of them. See, this is the serious outdoor gardener stuff right here. The pots are cute. I think I'm gonna get 2 of the 8-inch planters. They're $7.97. Thank you. It's getting serious. That total. I'm hungry. Oh.
Let me do my shit, boo. I bring her joy.
Shut up! These are the plants I ended up choosing. I've already had this one before. It was a little smaller and I basically overwatered it. So we're just gonna be spritzing it and, you know, babying it. I've never had this one before, so I'm excited for this one. I need to just order online the soil and stuff that I need because I didn't find any that I was looking for the house plants specifically. Wait.
Everything's in here? Okay. Thank you. You don't have to laugh at everything they're trying to do to get your attention.
I don't.
Make you laugh.
Okay, that's it.
Now you are openly taking a stroll amongst the Republicans for what? What are you doing?
Good morning, guys. It is July 1st. Let's get skincare done, get dressed, go drop off the kids, grab a little drink. Ramses doesn't have appointments till later in the morning, and then I will get started on the planning stuff as well after that. So, and then we also have some yard work to do, so this is gonna be a very productive vlog. Let's get dressed. Actually, I'm gonna just wear this and my sports bra. I took my orange shirt off just because when we get back, we're gonna be out there gardening and stuff, and I'm gonna put this on anyway. So every morning I have to come out, let in the light for the plants, and then Ramses will come and close all the windows. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Good morning to Big Mama. She looks fake. Let me see if I can find it. And then this one's coming back to life. Look at all the little new leaves coming in. I had to change the soil because there was bugs in it, so I was afraid it was gonna. And if you guys remember from my last vlog, I had this money tree and I split it up and it's doing pretty well. None of them have died. This little one is actually growing. And oh look, there's a new little one here. So it seems to be doing pretty well. Okay, let's do a little cleanup around here so when we get back, because I think Ramses took the dogs for a little walk. So let's clean this up. Okay, all done. The kids are in the car, and puppy update. Bye. We're leaving, okay? You be a good boy. No crying. No crying. Okay, good boy. We will deal with all of this later. Literally watched the Mexico game last night, made tacos, and just left everything a mess because we were just so tired. So I just got all that cleaned up and started the dishwasher.
2.4 liters.
123 a week.
Okay. Oh.
So we went to go pick up a drink. Ramses got a bagel and a coffee, but I forgot my camera at my mom's, so I didn't get any of that. So we had to turn around to go back and get it. But let's go outside and garden, check on the garden. And the puppy pissed on me as soon as I picked him up and was gonna take him outside. You peed on me right now, sicko. He's big. I forgot to mention to you guys that I threw up last night. The kids have been, since like Friday, Saturday, the kids have each had like a little stomach bug, one worse than the others, but then like just lingering nausea. Even though they're not throwing up or anything, they were still feeling like they were still feeling like nauseous and stuff, and I thought I felt a little nauseous here and there, but I kept feeling fine, whatever. I ran a mile yesterday on the treadmill and it sucked, and I'm thinking like, oh, maybe because I was like feeling sick already. But I woke up last night at like, I don't know, like 2, 3 in the morning, just sweaty and hot, and I just thought I was sweaty and hot. So I like got up, but as soon as I got up, I got under the fan. Like we have like an oscillating fan in the room, and so I sat on the floor and I like pointed it at me. You want the camera? He's like looking at the camera on the table and like crying. Next thing you know, I barfed. So anyway, that was the only time. My stomach does feel a little weird. I still feel a little nauseous here and there, but for the most part, I'm fine. So we have a few things we want to get done out here before Ramses heads to work for the day. So. Not a very good rule follower. I sent you a video of this retractable hose. Did you see it? All right, so I went online to look at how to care for this pomegranate tree because we have just been kind of letting it do whatever. But what I saw was that they were saying to train it to only grow one, what is it called? Oh my god, there's like hella ants in here. To grow, fuck, I'm gonna go get my boots. To grow from one of the tree trunks, because it's one of those that kind of grow like a bunch of tree trunks, and it can kind of look like a bush. Obviously it looks like a bush right now, but I saw some that like you have to do it if you want it to be more manageable and you want it to actually like kind of grow like a tree, to do that. So right now it's also wrapped up. I don't know if you guys can see like the little green twine in there that we wrapped it up like a few months back. There's a little pomegranate right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my boots on because there's hella ants in here, and then I'm going to take all of the twine and all of the little green zip ties and stuff off, and we'll see what she looks like. Oh, headphones. Gloves. Okay. Oh, let me pick what I'm gonna put my headphones on, okay?
Yeah, me too. I brought you a hat too.
Oh, I think this one's good, but thank you. Stephanie just posted a video 19 minutes ago. This happened last Wednesday too, that like when I was gonna come out here and work outside, she posted a video and I was like, oh, hell yeah, thank you. All right, so I'm putting on, oh my God, there's a freaking little buggy that won't leave me alone. Okay, so we're gonna do a little before. Maybe right here, she looks the craziest right here. So before. And after. Oh my God, I know, she looks bald. But the idea is for her to actually grow like a tree now. So we got to keep up with that. And Ramses has all the cuttings over there. We're gonna see if we can try to propagate it somehow, but yeah, hopefully I don't regret this. And then this is our lemon tree. Ramses has been building structures around it just because we've been trying to keep Bubba out. But honestly, we kind of figured we want to turn at least this one into a little garden bed with some flowers and things that are going to keep the pests and the birds and stuff away. So we're gonna put like a lot of the shavings and the trimmings and put the soil on top, but we'll do the soil once we have the plants. So we want to put in here. Yeah, definitely sometimes overthinking and being like, oh, we don't have everything that we need, or we don't have the money to buy this or make it perfect or make it exactly like how we want it to look, you know. But all that's done. We're doing more now. Ramses just finishing up the last little bit of shoveling. The soccer game is on. So hot. I'm gonna get us some water refills. I just had been finding it hard to actually sit down and make videos. I have so much written down. I have so many notes, content notes, especially now that I finished my positive psychology degree and I am passionate about sharing that with you guys. But I was just making videos to make videos. And when I really sat down and like reflected, I got the motivation, the passion to make content is to teach. Like, inherently, career-wise, I am a teacher. What is the point? I would find myself being like, what is the point of this video? Just to post. I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm channeling that energy again of being like, yeah, what can I show them? What can I teach them? What did I learn from this situation? Even when I vlog, I like to kind of just show you guys my space and how I kind of organize things. Like, I love seeing that in other people's videos. It gives me lots of great ideas and take what resonates, right? But also I want to start integrating more spiritual content. I feel like I have a lot of, and not religious, okay? We are secular homeschoolers, but I know we're homeschoolers, but we're not like those kinds of homeschoolers, you know. And I feel like I've been learning more about my birth chart, about my kids' birth charts, about like family. I don't know how many family and friends birth charts in my phone on the Time Passages app, and I just love learning about the zodiac signs, the astrology signs, the aspects, the houses. And I made a video like years back when I first got my stack of books that I started studying astrology, and you know, that's ebbed and flowed throughout the years, but I definitely have been doing much more reading up on that. But that's something else that I'm trying to see how I can integrate, keeping it light and fun and cute. We're not pushing nothing on nobody, and I don't want to hear it. Okay, show you guys. I put my habit tracker for July. I just have to decorate it now and fill out yesterday. And I did my highlights already for July. My spread, July highlights. Again, just have to like make it a little bit cuter. And I also still have to choose my little mantras for the month.